Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure your phone has power and nothing physically covering the ambient sensor because you'll be changing sensor-driven settings. Open Settings, then tap Display. On some phones, it's under Accessibility. Once you see brightness controls, identify the switch labeled Automatic, Adaptive, or Auto Brightness. You need the control in view before proceeding. If you don't see it, use Settings search and type Brightness. That brings the exact menu, so you can act immediately. Now turn off the Adaptive or Auto Brightness toggle. You'll hear it click in your head. That stops automatic changes. Next, check for related features. Disable any scheduled brightness, night mode overrides, or battery optimization settings that can re-enable adaptive control. Then set the manual brightness slider to the level you want. This is your new baseline. Make sure you test by moving from bright to dim lighting so you confirm it stays steady, because some systems require an extra confirmation tap. Finish by locking the screen and testing in sunlight and low light to confirm brightness stays fixed. If the phone still auto-adjusts, reboot it and reopen display settings to ensure the toggle remained off. Some apps or permissions can override it. Also check apps with permission to modify system settings and revoke if needed. If problems persist, update your operating system or use the Reset Display Settings option. That usually clears persistent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.